Good morning, children. As you all know that today we are going to start estimating the sum and the difference. Now, do you know what is estimation? Estimation means when somebody will ask, how old are you? So you are not telling them your exact number of years, months and days. You are going to round off that number of your age. I am approximately 9 years old if you are going to be 9, or I am 8 years old if you are going to be 8. So that is an estimation. Estimation means when you are telling an approximate value of anything. Now in standard 4 you have learned the estimation till 10,000 numbers. So in class 5 we will start with that 10,000 and lakh please, or 10 lakh also. Fine. Now what is the rule of estimation is, whenever you have to round off of a given number to the required place, what you will do, you will consider the rightmost number. Means if you have to round off to lakh place, you are going to see the 10,000 place. If that number is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added on the lakhs place. And if that number is less than 5, then you are not going to add 1 on that in that number. Fine. I think that is clear. This rule is clear. We'll do this rule with this table. I have brought one table for you. Fine. In that table you are going to see that rule. Now children, you all will see one video, and by seeing this video you must be able to understand the concept of estimation. So I'm starting that video.
How old are you? About 9 years. How far is the Earth from the Moon? What was India's population in 2011? How much money was about to be robbed? Let's learn about rounding big numbers. Remember rounding off? It works on big numbers too. Let's take an example of the bank robbery and see how the newspaper rounded off the number. Step 1. Look at the multiple the number needs to be rounded off to. Here, number 8 crores 84 lakhs 19,743 need to be rounded off to the nearest crore. Step 2. So, we underline the digit in the 10 lakhs place. Step 3. The underlined digit is greater than 5. So, we increase the digit in the crores place by 1 and replace all other digits to 0. Thus, 8 crores 84 lakhs 19,743 can be rounded off to 9 crores. Catching on? Let's round off some more numbers. According to the 2011 census, India's population was 1,024 crores 14 lakhs 91,960 people. Phew! Let's round that off to its nearest multiple of a billion. Step 1. Look at the multiple the number needs to be rounded off to. Step 2. Underline the digit in the 10 crores place. Step 3. The underlined digit is less than 5. So, we replace all digits on the right side to 0. Thus, 1,024 crores 14 lakhs 91,960 can be rounded off to 1 billion people. But We earlier said that the population of India in 2011 was around 1.2 billion. How is that possible? Can you tell? That's because the number was rounded off to its nearest multiple of 10 crores and not a billion, as we did in the last example. Let's do the same. Step 1. Look at the multiple the number needs to be rounded off to. Step 2. Underline the digit in the crores place. Step 3. The underlined digit is less than 5. So, we replace all digits on the right side to 0. Thus, 1,024 crores 14 lakhs 91,960 can be rounded off to 1.2 billion people. Rounding off is simple. Just remember the following. Check what multiple the number needs to be rounded off to. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. See the right-hand side digit of the multiple. For example, if 34,678 needs to be rounded off to its nearest 10,000, look at the digit in the thousands place. Now underline the digit. If the digit is less than 5, change the underlined digit to 0 and replace all digits on its right side to 0. If the digit is 5 or more, then increase the left side value of the underlined digit by 1 and replace all digits on the right side to 0.
Now children, as you can see the rules on the screen, first check what multiple the number needs to be rounded off, that is tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, etc. or lakh. Second, see the right hand side digit of the multiple. For example, if 34,678 needs to be rounded to the nearest 10,000, look at the digit in the thousand place. Number 3, now underline the digit. If the digit is less than 5, change the underlined digit to 0 and replace all digits on its right side to 0. If the digit is 5 or more, then increase the left side value of the underlined digit by 1 and replace all digit on the right side to 0. Now 1 will be added on the digit on the left side. Fine. So like this we can do the estimation, and now we'll move to the exercise. Okay children, now I think rules are quite clear to you all. I am repeating it again. If you have to round off to the nearest 10,000, you are going to underline the place of 1000, and if that 1000 place is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added on 10,000 place. Now you can see on this screen, you can see question 1 of exercise 2.5. This page number 24 and 25 was not there in your PDF. So this page, this pic of this page I will send you, this 24 and 25 page. So now question 1 is, find the actual and estimated sum by rounding off to the nearest 10,000. Now here in the question, in each question you have two parts, A and B. A I am telling you, similarly B part you will do it your own. Now A part, what is given here? You can see in this question, actual, this is given. Actual addition is the simple addition you were doing earlier also. So that addition you will do it. Now here, what you have to round off? Round off to 10,000. Round off to 10,000. 10,000 means this place you have to round off. So what you will do with this lakh place? Lakh place you will write as it is. Lakh place you are going to write it as it is. You are not going to do anything with that lakh place. So this will, you are going to write it like this, 3 and 1. Now 10,000 place you have to round off to 10,000. So you are going to underline this 1000 place. Now this 1000 place is more than 5. So 1 will be added here. So this will become 2 plus 1, 3. And rest of the places will be 0, as you have seen in the video just now. Now here 1000 place is 2, which is less than 5. So 1 will not be added here. So what it will become? This will become 1, then 0, 0, 0 and 0. Then you are going to do the addition of estimated and actual. Now you will do it, addition of estimated and actual. Fine. Now you will do it. 7 plus 2, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 will be carry, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, then 4. This will be your actual addition, and estimated will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 and then 4. I hope this question is clear to you all. Fine. Whenever you have to round off to nearest 10,000, you are going to see the place of 1000. If it is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added on the 10,000 place. Just like this, 2 will become 3. And if other places were given, if in this question lakh or 10 lakh or crore place will be given, we are going to write those place as it is. Now we'll move to question number 2. Question number 2 is, find the actual and estimated sum by rounding off to the nearest lakh. Now in this question, find the actual and estimated sum by rounding off to the nearest lakh. I am underlining this lakh because you have to round off to the lakh place. Now which place you are going to see? You are going to see this 10,000 place. This 10,000 place you are going to see. Now underline this 10,000 place, 8 and 2. Now if 10,000 place is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added on lakh place. So what it will become? Now 8 is greater than 5, so 1 will be added in 2. So it will become 3 lakh. It will become 3 lakh. I am writing this place values also, ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000, then lakh. Fine. I am going to add it. Now see in this second part, now here 10,000 place is 2, which is less than 5. So we are not going to add anything on lakh place. So this will become 1 lakh. So here also you can do addition, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and then 4. And here the simple addition you have to do, 9 plus 5, 14, 2 plus 1, 3, 6, 8, 10 and this 4. Simple addition here. In actual you have to do simple addition, which you were doing earlier also. There is nothing different in this actual. Simple addition, and then on 10,000 place you have 8. You have to round off to nearest lakh. Now nearest lakh you are going to see the place of 10,000, which is 8, which is more than 5. So 1 will be added on lakh place. And in this 2 is less than 5. So we are not going to add anything on lakh place. Then we are going to do addition. See, as children, I have told you earlier only, in each question, question number 1, 2 and the third question which we are going to do it, in all these 3 questions you have B part also. A part I am telling you here in the video, and B part you will do it your own. Fine. I think this is clear to everyone. Now we'll move to estimation along with the difference. Now the third question is, find the actual and estimated difference by rounding to the nearest lakh. Again you have to round off to the nearest lakh. Again you are going to see this 10,000 place. Now here the 10,000 place is 2 and in this you have 10,000 place 8. Now 2 is less than 5. So what you are going to do here in estimated? You are going to add? No, you are not going to add because 2 is less than 5. So that will remain 5 lakh, then minus. Now 8 is greater than 5. You are going to add 1 in this. You are going to add in this. Now for finding difference here, that is same. Simple subtraction you were doing. 9 minus 3, 6, 1, 2, 2, then this will become 4 and this will become 12. 12 minus 8, 4, then 2. And here the round off or the estimation of this will be 2 lakh. If you are finding estimation here also, then also you will see the answer is correct or not. See here, 4 is less than 5. So round off of 2,42,000 will be 2 lakh only. Fine. I hope this difference is also clear to you all. Estimation you have to do with the same method only in both the questions. Either you have to do addition or you have to do difference. In both the cases, estimation you have to do in the same way. The only difference is in sum you have to add it and in difference you have to subtract it. Okay. Now we'll take few example. Estimation table I have made it here. Okay. So we'll just revise it. Fine. If this number have been given to you. Now we have to round off to nearest lakh. I am providing you situations. Nearest lakh. If this number has to be round off to nearest lakh, which place you are going to see? Yes, you are going to see this 10,000 place. Now this is 5 or more than 5? It is 5. So 1 will be added on lakh place. So it will become 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So round off of this will be 4 lakh. Fine. Now the second condition is, if you have to round off to nearest 10,000. So now in 10,000 which place you are going to see? This 1,000 place. So that is 2. See children, whenever you have to round off to 10,000, this lakh place will remain that only. That 3 only. Fine. Now 1,000 place is less than 5. So you are not going to add anything in 5. So that will remain same. 3, 5, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Fine. Now one more case will do it. If you have to round off to nearest 1,000. So when you have to round off to nearest 1,000, rest of the two places will remain same. This will remain same. 3, then 5. Now we'll see 100 place. Now 100 place is less than 5. So we are not going to add anything on 1,000 place. That will remain 0. Similarly, you can do nearest 100 also. Nearest 100 place also. In 100 place, we'll see this tens place. Fine. And rest of the places will remain same. 3, 5, 2. Fine. And now 100 place we have to see, round off to the nearest 100. So we'll see this tens place. Now tens place is more than 5. 1 will be added here. 1, 0, 0. See, I've told you in all the situation how will you do this round off. This table is called it estimation table. This I have taken only for explaining this estimation. How will you do it? I hope you all have understood this estimation table. And homework for today is you are supposed to do question 1, 2 and 3. A part I have told you in the video. And B part you will do it your own. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Fine. Good day.